Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for students of Standard 3, subject English. Today's thought: the best way to predict your future is to create it. Abraham Lincoln. The good habits that you all have to follow: get up early every morning, brush your teeth daily, have a bath daily, do your homework and then play. Always use a dustbin for throwing the garbage, never throw it on the road or at any other place. Wash hands before and after eating. Eat healthy food like cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, not the junk food. Avoid junk food. Respect your elders, whether they are your parents, relatives, teachers. Respect everyone. In today's video, I am going to continue with the revision of Essay 2 with you all, and today we will start a new chapter for revision, that is lesson number 10, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. Do you remember how interesting the lesson is? When I had explained, I know that you might have enjoyed it a lot because it's a very, very interesting story. Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. I will give you the summary of the chapter. About the story I will tell you, and finally then I will explain the lesson from the textbook line by line. So, if you are ready, let us start this exciting story, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. Lesson number 10, Tenali Rama and the Three Dolls. Explanation. First, tell you about the story. This is a story about wit and intelligence of Tenali Rama, the courtier of King Krishna Devaraya's court. Here this story is about one intelligent man. That man who is very, very intelligent, he has got brains and he uses it very wisely. Who is that person, that intelligent man? His name is Tenali Rama. That is the main character of the story. And where does he work? In which court? Who was the king where Tenali Rama works? The king's name was King Krishna Devaraya. That was the name of the king. In his court he worked as a courtier, as one of the workers. The story describes the visit of a foreigner to king's court. In this story, there is a foreigner, a merchant. He comes to the king Krishna Devaraya's court one day. He sought and received permission from the king to test the intelligence of his courtiers. So that merchant or that businessman, he told the king that he wanted to take the test of the knowledge of all the ministers in his court. To this end, he left the three identical dolls with the courtiers, asking them to find difference between them. So that merchant, that man who had come with the three dolls, he gave that three dolls to the king, and he said that I want your ministers to find the difference among the three dolls, that how are the three dolls different, because the three dolls looked exactly same, but something was different in them. So that man said to the king that I will come after 1 month, I will come after 30 days, and I want an answer from your ministers that what is the difference among the three dolls. When the courtiers failed, the king called upon Tenali Rama. So all the ministers failed to give the answer. Then finally the king called Tenali Rama. Because Tenali Rama was intelligent minister and the king hoped that Tenali Rama will solve the mystery. On the day of the visit of foreigner, Tenali demonstrated that the dolls all had holes in one of their ears. So when that foreigner, means that businessman, he came back after some days, Tenali Rama showed the difference. Tenali Rama said that there is a hole in each of the ears of the dolls. He showed that there is a hole in the ear of each doll. He inserted a wire through the hole in each doll, and in each case the result was different. So he showed the difference in each doll. And how did he show? He inserted the wire in the ear of each doll, and then he showed what is the difference. That we will see in the lesson. Let us see now. Let's read. In the first doll it came out through the mouth, in the second through the ear, in the third it went to the heart and did not come out at all. Tenali explained the first doll represents the people who cannot keep a secret. The second doll represents the people who do not understand what is told to them, and the third doll as people who can keep secrets. He also interpreted the difference between the dolls in another way. He reasons that the first doll might be representative of someone who disseminates knowledge he gains, and the third as of someone who does not share his wisdom. The merchant acknowledged Tenali Rama's wisdom with a smile. So the answer that Tenali Rama gave was perfect answer, and the merchant said that yes, the answer is absolutely correct. Now let us start with the story. So here is the warm-up exercise. See, look at the pictures, number them in correct order to get the story. So we have around 6 pictures. You have to give the sequence to each of the story. The pictures which are given, you have to check the sequence, and then you have to give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 images as you can see over here. So here is the warm-up exercise. Let us look at the exercise. Look at the pictures which are given now. Number them in correct order to get the story. Haha, how slow you are. Oh no. I run faster than you. I will win the race. Thinking that your opponent is weak was your biggest mistake. He might be fast, but I am smart. I know that slow and steady wins the race. Tortoise is so slow, I can take a nap and still win the race. So these 6 images are there. Do you think which one will come first? Which image will come first? Now let us see if you know the answer. You have got 1 minute's time. Think about it, that which image should we put first. See, these are the 3 images which are shown over here, and these 3 images are given on the first page. Let us see. Let us write number 1. So the first image is this one. I run faster than you. I will win the race. That is number 1. So here we write 1. Let me write 1 properly. This is image number 1. Which is image number 2? This is image number 2. Ha ha, how slow you are. That is image number 2. So here I write 2. Now see, image number 3 is over here somewhere. Did you find it? Image number 3 is this one. Tortoise is so slow I can take a nap and still win the race. After that, this one is the 4th image. He might be fast, but I am smart. I know that slow and steady wins the race. Then see number 5. Number 5 is this. Oh no! When he saw tortoise has moved ahead, oh no! And number 6. See, number 6 is given over here. Thinking that your opponent is weak was your biggest mistake. That is number 6. So here the story over. Now let us read the lesson. Stories about wit and wisdom of Tenali Rama, the intelligent minister in the King Krishnadevaraya's court, are well known. In this story, read how Tenali Rama solves yet another unsolvable mystery. So in this lesson we will see how Tenali Rama was able to solve the mystery, which was very very difficult, and no other courtiers, no other ministers were able to solve the mystery. Only Tenali Rama was able to do it. Now let us see. One day, a merchant came to King Krishnadevaraya's court from a foreign kingdom. Who came? One day, a merchant came to King Krishnadevaraya's court. Merchant means businessman. One day, a merchant came to King Krishnadevaraya's court from the foreign kingdom. He came from outside, from foreign place. He saluted the king and then said, "Your Majesty, I have heard from many people that you have wise ministers in your court." So that merchant said to the king that many people have told me that in your kingdom there are so many wise ministers, there are so many intelligent people. So with your permission, I would like to test the wisdom of your ministers. So that merchant said to the king that I want to take permission from you to take the test of all the ministers in your kingdom. So then this aroused the king's interest and he gave the merchant his permission. So king was excited. King thought, yes, let this merchant take the test of my ministers. Aroused. What is the meaning of the word aroused? Means caused. And he gave the permission to the merchant to take the test. The merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked identical. Identical means same. That merchant, that foreign person, he gave 3 dolls to the king that looked exactly same. He said, although these dolls look similar, each of them is different in some way. If your ministers can find out the difference, I will bow to their wisdom, but if they cannot, I will know that there are no wise ministers in your court. I will be back in 30 days for the answer. So, here is how the king was sitting, and the merchant gave the 3 dolls to the king which looked identical, and he said to the king that I will come exactly after 30 days. I will ask that what is the difference between the 3 dolls among these 3 dolls, and your ministers have to find out the answer of this question. So after that, the king asked all his ministers except Tenali Rama to gather. He gave them 3 dolls and asked them to find out the difference and asked them to do it within the next 3 days. So as soon as the merchant went outside, the king called all his ministers and he said to the ministers that they have to find out the difference among the 3 dolls within 3 days. But at the end of 3 days, none of the ministers could figure out any difference. So the king gave the work to his ministers, and the ministers failed to give the answer. Means the ministers were not able to find out the difference among the dolls. So the ministers were not able to find out that how are the three dolls different from each other. And none of the ministers could figure out the difference. Figure out means find out. They were not able to spot out the difference among the three dolls. The king got worried and called Tenali Rama. The king was really worried now. What to do? And then finally he called the most intelligent minister in his court, that is Tenali Rama. He said, Tenali, I did not summon you before because I thought that this problem would be too simple. So the king called Tenali Rama and he said to him that before I did not call you before with all other ministers because I thought that this problem would be very easy and the ministers could solve the problem. But the problem is not very easy now, he said to Tenali Rama. However, since no one has been able to find out the solution, it is up to you now. So the king said to Tenali Rama that all the ministers have failed to find the answer. So only you can find the answer because Tenali Rama was very intelligent. So the king was hoping that Tenali Rama would find the answer. He would find the difference among the three dolls. And Tenali Rama was very, very intelligent minister. He had that intelligence that he could find the difference among the three dolls. And the king gave this work to Tenali Rama. Find the difference among the dolls. So the king finally gave the three dolls to Tenali Rama and he said to him that you have to find the difference among these three dolls. Tenali Rama took the dolls and went away. So Tenali Rama, he took the dolls from the king and then he went away from there. The problem proved to be difficult for Tenali Rama too. But at last, after a lot of effort, he figured out the difference. So first of all, when Tenali Rama tried to find out the difference among the three dolls, it was not very easy. For him also, the problem was really difficult. Means at first, many days passed, but Tenali Rama could not find the difference among the three dolls. He went to the court carrying the three dolls on the day that merchant had to return. So after 30 days, the 30th day it was, and Tenali Rama went to the court with that three dolls because that merchant was going to come on the same day. He announced in front of the whole court that he had found the difference among the dolls. So Tenali Rama said to everyone, he announced means he said loudly in the court, I have found out the difference among the three dolls. He said it loudly, means he had got the answer. He said, these three dolls are different because one of them is good, one average, and one not so good. So this was the difference that he had spotted among the three dolls. What was the difference that he said? He said, from these three dolls, one doll is good, one is average, means not good and not bad, medium, and one doll means the third one is not so good. Three dolls are there. He gave three different qualities. One is good, the second one is average, and the third doll is not so good. He gave three qualities to the three dolls. First doll was good, he said. The second was average and the third was not so good. When everyone asked him to explain the difference, he showed them a tiny hole that was present in the ears of each of the dolls. So Tenali Rama showed that there is a hole in the ear of the three dolls, in all the three dolls, there is a hole, a tiny hole, means a small hole is there in the ears of all the three dolls. But what is the difference? All the three dolls are same, they are looking same, and all the three dolls have the hole, a tiny hole in their ears. Then what is the difference? How are they different from each other? Then he took a very thin wire. Now see, now the real answer starts. Tenali Rama took a very thin wire, a very small thin wire, and he put it in the hole in the first doll's ear. So first he took the first doll in his hand and he put one small, very small, very thin, tiny wire in the ear of the first doll. The wire came out from the other dolls, from the doll's mouth. So in the first doll, when he put the wire from the ear, it came out from where? It came out from its mouth. Then with the second doll, he took the second doll, he put the wire inside the ear, and the wire came out from the doll's ear, from the other side. From one ear it went inside, and from the other ear it came outside. So that was the second doll. In the third doll, the wire went to the heart and did not come out. So in the third doll, when Tenali Rama put the wire in the ear, it went inside the heart and it did not come out at all. It was there inside only. So in the first doll, the wire came out from the mouth. The second doll, the wire came out from the other side of the ear, means from the second ear. And in the third doll, the wire went inside in the heart and it never came out. So, see, these are the three dolls. He showed the difference like this. See, here the first doll, he said, in the first doll, the wire went in through the ear and came out from the mouth. In the second doll, the wire went in through the ear from this side and it came out from the other side, from the other ear. In the third doll, the wire went into the ear inside the heart and it did not come out at all. So these are the three dolls that looked the same. And then Tenali Rama put the wire and he explained the difference. Tenali Rama explained that in the first doll, the wire went in through the ear and came out through the mouth. So the doll is bad because it represents the people who cannot keep a secret. So in the first doll, Tenali Rama said, the wire came out from the mouth. Means the doll is bad. It will speak all the things. So it is bad. It cannot keep a secret. Second doll, the wire came out from the ear. Means it is an average doll. Whatever you will speak, it will forget. It will go in the one, it will go inside the first ear, it will go out from the second ear. So that is harmless. Means it does not understand at all. Anything, whatever you say, it will forget. That is the second doll. In the third doll, the wire entered the heart and did not come out. So in the third doll, he said that the wire went inside the heart and it never ever came out. Means it is very good. It will keep the secrets and will not share with anyone. That was the third doll. The wire went in the heart, means the doll was really good. That kind of people will never share your secret with anyone and will keep inside their heart, he said. Then the king, the merchant and all the courtiers were very impressed with Tenali Rama's wise answer. So the king was really very happy, the merchant was also very happy, and all the courtiers, means all the ministers, were also very happy with this answer. Then Tenali Rama added, but there can be another explanation too. So Tenali Rama said, I have one more answer, one more difference. He said, I have one more answer for these three dolls. He said, the first doll represents people who gain knowledge and spread it among others. So it is good. See, in the first doll, the wire went in through the ear and came out from the mouth. Means it is good. that doll will share this knowledge with everyone. That kind of people will share the knowledge with everyone, so it is good. In the second doll, represents the people who listen from one ear and let it go from the other ear. In other words, those who do not understand what they are taught. So it is average. So that is second doll. In that doll, whatever you tell them, it will go inside the first ear and come out from the second ear. And so that is average. That does not matter. That kind of doll means that kind of people do not understand what they are taught. In the third doll, it represents the people who have knowledge but keep it all to themselves. In the third doll, what happened? The wire went inside the heart and it never came out. So that kind of people will gain knowledge. They will learn and they will keep in the heart. They will not share with anyone. So they do not teach anyone anything. So they are selfish. Because if you know something and you don't teach someone, if you don't help anyone, then you are selfish. So the third doll represents selfish people. The merchant smiled and Tenali Rama's answer and acknowledged his greatness. So finally, merchant was very happy with Tenali Rama's answer. He said to Tenali Rama that your answer is really, really good. I acknowledge your answer. I accept it. Now let us read some questions and understand what's given over here. Who visits the king's court? A merchant visits king's court. See students, this is your homework. You can take screenshot. You have to write these questions one time in today's homework. So take screenshots and write. But don't write this in fair book. These are just the questions for your knowledge, nothing else. So who visits king's court? A merchant visits king's court. Who does he give the king? Or what does he give the king? What did the merchant give the king? The merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked identical. Identical means same. The merchant gave the king 3 dolls that looked exactly same, identical. What permission does he seek from the king? Seek means to take or ask. What permission does the merchant want from the king? He asked the king to allow him to test the wisdom of king's minister. The merchant asked the king that he wanted to take the test of all his ministers' knowledge. Why does the king not call Tenali Rama at first? When the king called Tenali Rama, when the king called everyone, all others, at first, why did he not call Tenali Rama? The king did not call Tenali Rama at first because he thought that his problem would be too simple. He thought that the difference among the 3 dolls can be easily found out and anyone can do it. So first of all, he did not call Tenali Rama. He called him later on when all other ministers were not able to solve the mystery. After that, what similarity does Tenali Rama find in the 3 dolls? Means what was the same thing in the 3 dolls that Tenali Rama noticed? Tenali Rama found that there was a tiny hole that was present in the ears of each of the dolls. In all the dolls, there was a tiny hole in each of the doll's ear. That was the similarity he found. When a wire is pushed in through the ear of the first doll, from where does it come out? When the wire was pushed in through the ear of the first doll, it came out from the doll's mouth. In the first doll, the wire came out from the mouth. Then, what about the second doll? In the second doll, the wire came out from the doll's ear. Then, what about the third doll? In the third doll, the wire went to the heart and did not come out. What does Tenali Rama say is the meaning of the three dolls? He says that one of them is good, one is average, and one not so good. That is the difference among the three dolls. So we complete our today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.